Here's 4 reasons why buying a condo is a good idea. Number 1, condos may put less of a dent in your wallet. In many areas, condos are priced less than single-family homes with just as much living space. And a lower purchase price means a lower down payment and lower monthly mortgage payments. Number 2, condos let you be your authentic self. Don't confuse condominium complexes with apartment buildings. They may look the same, but you own the condo. That means you don't need a landlord's permission to paint interior walls, make minor adjustments, and remodel that outdated kitchen. Number 3, condos have more amenities than ever before. Condo boards are looking for every opportunity to stand out from the pack. Condos can offer amenities like swimming pools, tennis courts, and workout gyms to bring value to the homebuyer. Number 4, condos are really smart investments. After living in your condo for some time, you might choose to sell or keep your condo as a rental property. But do your due diligence, as some HOAs will allow a long-term rental agreement, but not short-term rental agreements.